Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel, supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for a high-tech gear stock. Actually, this has been in the news for today's price hike. It does it started from 377 and now it is playing around 437. It's a very huge this thing spike. And let's see actually what is the reason for the spike, and from technical point of view, and after that we will also see how far the spike will continue in the next coming few days. Okay, what you're seeing right now is the price trend, monthly technical chart of high-tech gear. You can also see the price trend chart of high-tech gear so far. We have data here since 2003 onwards up to 2017 November 1st. If you see, in the initial glance itself, you don't have to think analytically up to certain point, like up to this point. Actually, up to May 2014, this stock has been slipping. Actually, it is not doing much. It is going in a range bound fashion. And okay, the highest point that it has played so far. Until then, it was 150 rupees. That's it. And the lowest point is 15 rupees. For 15 rupees. That's it. 15 rupees. So only after a certain period of time. That means after May 2014 onwards, this stock started picking up, making new highs. You can see this here, and that was the last peak it attained, and that was in October 2016. Okay, so that means since January 2017 onwards, this particular stock has been going down. Has been went down actually, and then today, after a long period of time, in November 1st, today it has peaked up, and today it is playing at around 438. Actually, it crossed its previous peaks, price peaks so far, and it went above them, and some 20-30 rupees above, and there it is playing right now. Okay, what is the potential of this stock? Okay, right now the stock has been playing, has crossed its previous peak. That's a very good sign. Actually, it broke out of its range bound price movement. Now, whether this trend will sustain or not in the next coming few days, whether is this stock good for long term investment or not. So that is the thing. So if you see, if you look at the RSI, see, we are using a few technical indicators like RSI, MACD, momentum, ADX, Darvas, super trend, moving average, 20 and 50, etc. Zigzag also we are using. Now you see, RSI hasn't crossed the at this moment. RSI hasn't crossed the top line, and it is about to touch the top line. And so until it touches the top line, we cannot make sure that we cannot clearly tell that this particular stock will boom in the next coming few days. Next, look at the MACD. MACD is just now today only. I think this split happened between the signal line is on, has become started playing on top of the red line. You see the last, this part here, and a small, they are diverging, but it is not significant actually. If you look at the histogram bars, you see the green color histogram bar populating on top of the baseline, but it is very small, very light, and even that is also not that much significant. And look at the momentum is just playing on top of the baseline. The baseline is zero line, this line, and momentum is playing here, and it is looking, the tip of the momentum is inclined towards the upward direction, which is indicates a significant price rise, but the angle is not that much. It is not so acute that we can clearly say that the trend is very strong like that. The price momentum is very strong like that. Now look at the ADX. The green line anyway is on top of the red line. Okay, very good. But and they are diverging also. If you see the green line, the tip of the green line, it is moving up, and whereas the red line is it is a little bit going down. So they are diverging. Good. As you already know, the gap that these two lines create between them, is directly proportional to the price movement on the stock. And look at this line, this trend line, directional. This indicates the strength of the direction of the stock. Right now the stock is in the upward direction, I mean moving in the upward direction. So but if you look at the trend line, oh, sorry, this black line, the direction and the strength, this line is going down. That means the direction of strength is going down. That means this upward direction strength is not that much. If you look at all the guiding points of all these technical indicators, one thing is quite common. What you can see is stock is moving up. It's there everyone, everyone can see, but it is lacking the strength to go up further. So that is what this indicates. So that means we have to wait for few more signals in the next coming few days. Only then we can decide whether this stock is good for long-term investment or not. But today, if you are interested, then you can go for day trading kind of thing, which is very good. I'm not even recommending swing trading. I'm talking about day trading. Okay, so the conclusion is we need a few more signals from the stock. To understand and analyze whether this particular stock is good for long-term investment or whether it is good for swing trading also. Okay, both we need to. I mean, we to understand. I mean, to recommend any of these two, we need a few more signals from the stock, and we will come back to the stock later after a few more days, and then we will see. But at the moment, the stock is recommended for day trading. That's it. So this is the analysis for the stock. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.